Welcome students. This is the question number 4 of chapter working with function. This question is saying that write a function that receives two numbers and generate a random number from that range. Receives two numbers and generate random number from that range. Using this function, the main program should be able to print three numbers randomly. These lines are important from the question. Means it receives two numbers, then with the help of random number generator, it will generate random numbers. For that we have to provide range, and main program should be able to print three numbers randomly. See here, to use random number generator, we have to include or import random module in our program. So import random module by using we have different way to import random module. This line is for including one object of random module. This object name is, or this function name is randint function. This randint function will return only integers. Rand means random, int means integer only. So it will return integer random numbers only from the random module. Let's discuss with this way. After that I can change the way how we will use this randint with different method. So first we will discuss this one. These three print statement comes under main program, because question is saying that the main program should be able to print three numbers randomly. These three lines we can combine together, but here we are using different lines in this program. First, random number. So call this ran function. Function name is ran. Receives two numbers. So here we pass two arguments. First value assigned in variable x, second value assigned in 50. Then return rand8 5,50. So means it will generate random number between 5 and 50. Any random number, randomly any number it will generate. Maybe it will generate 6, maybe it will generate 15, or maybe it will generate 13. Any number it can generate. So suppose that it generate number like 48. So output it will display like first random number 48. Similarly, second random number ran 1,100. So here we are passing range from 1 to 100. So first value means value of x is 1, value of y is 100. So in this given range it will print any number. So maybe it will display number like 45. So second random number 45. Similarly, third range is 90, 900. So means value of x is 90, value of y is 900. So any number it will display. Maybe number is 889. Clear? So third random number is 889. So three output will come. First random number 48, In second line, second random number 45. In third line, third random number is 889. Now second method. Suppose you don't want to include your module like this manner, you can change it. In place of that, you can write simple line import random. Means import random. Random is a module. You import this random module in your program. Then before that this rand int, you have to write random. So you have to write here return retur and return random dot rand int x comma y. Rand int x comma y. Clear? I think it is clear to you. No confusion. First random number, same manner it will work. Like first two value assigned here in this, and then from this range it will generate any random number. If you are execute your program again, so it will produce different random number from previous one. So, or maybe it will display same random number. So randomly it will generate numbers. No one can decide which number will occur. I hope this program is clear to you. The question is saying that write a program to have following function. So this question have two parts. First part is saying that a function that takes a number as argument, means it wants one number as argument and calculate cube for it. Cube of any number means it multiply by 3 times, like 2 into 2 into 2, that is the cube of 2. Cube of 4, 4 into 4 into 4, like this. So means it requires one number. The function does not return a value, means this function is a type of void, means this function doesn't return any kind of value. If there is no value passed to the function, means programmer are not passing, the user are not passing any value to the function in the function call, then the function should calculate cube of 2, means that time the value of argument, the value of number is 2. So means it will display the cube of 2 when we are not passing any value in the function call. Say this function definition, def cube x equals to 2. Here I have written first because in this solution I have written both the functions, means function 1 and function 2. Just now I am explaining this function 1, this first part, cube x equals to 2. So means default value of x, default value of number is 2. If user not pass any kind of value in the function call, that time function will take 2 as a number. Then print statement, cube of x is x into x into x. There is no return statement in this function. There is no return statement because the question is saying that the function does not return a value. That's why no return statement is present. These lines are comes under main program. These two are the calling part of the function. Cube without any argument, this calling function goes to the called function here. If we are not providing any value in the argument, then it will take 2 as default. The value of x is 2. Print is a statement in it, inside it. Cube of is a message. It will display as it is. Cube of x is not written inside the quotes. So it will take the value of x. Value of x is 2. Cube of x is again a message. It is written inside the quotes. Then comma is act as separator. X into x into x. So value of x is 2. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Result is 8. So output is cube of 2 is 8. Now second function call. Here we are providing value of x, means we are providing argument. The value of argument is 5. So this function goes to the function definition. Now this 2 is override by this 5. The value of x is 5. After that it will perform some operation and display result. 5 into 5 into 5 means 125. 5 5 25, 25 5 125. So this is the answer. Now second part of this program, a function that takes 2 char arguments, means 2 character type argument and return true if both the arguments are equal, otherwise false. Suppose I am passing like h, means first argument value is h, second argument value is h. Now both are equal, then it will return answer true. Or suppose I am passing like a and b, means first argument value is a and second argument value is b, then a equal to b. No, it is false. So it will return false. The question is saying like this. So for this I made second function. Function name is equal. This is the name of the function. Def equal x comma y. Here both the parameters are character type, means it will take only character type value and then it will compare. Now this statement means here equal is equal a comma b. This is the name of the function and 2 character type value. First value is a and second value is b. The first value will assign in variable x, second value will assign in variable y. Then return x equals to y. Value of x is a equal to b. Is it true or false? क्या a b के बराबर है? No. A is not equals to b, means it will return answer false. Whatever it will return, it will display with the help of print statement. Its result is false. Suppose that here I am providing value like H capital. Then this first value assign variable x, second value will assign variable y. Now the value of a is h equals to h. X equals to y. Yes, both are equal. So it will return answer true. With the help of print statement, it will display result true. I hope this program is clear to you. No confusion is here. Thank you, class.